Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're exploring Password Boss, a comprehensive password management solution found at www.passwordboss.com. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, safeguarding your online accounts is paramount. With cyber threats becoming increasingly sophisticated, relying on simple, easily guessed passwords is no longer a viable option. Password Boss aims to alleviate this security concern by providing a robust platform for managing your complex and unique passwords across various online services. Navigating to their website at www.passwordboss.com, you'll discover a wealth of information regarding their services. Password Boss not only stores your passwords securely but also offers features such as automated password generation, secure sharing capabilities, and the convenience of autofilling login forms. Imagine the time saved by no longer having to remember or manually type in those lengthy, complex passwords. Password Boss takes security seriously, employing advanced encryption techniques to protect your sensitive data. This ensures that your login credentials remain confidential and shielded from unauthorized access. Whether you're managing passwords for personal accounts or overseeing access for your business, Password Boss offers scalable solutions to meet your needs. For those concerned about accessibility, Password Boss is available across multiple devices. From desktops to mobile phones, you can access your passwords securely from anywhere with an internet connection. This cross-platform compatibility ensures that your passwords are always at your fingertips, regardless of the device you're using. Beyond password management, Password Boss offers additional features like digital wallet functionality, secure document storage, and even emergency access provisions. This comprehensive approach to online security makes Password Boss a valuable tool for anyone looking to streamline their digital life while enhancing their online protection. So, head over to www.passwordboss.com to learn more and explore their various plans and pricing options. Protecting your digital identity is an investment worth making, and Password Boss provides a powerful and user-friendly solution to help you achieve just that. Consider giving Password Boss a try and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your online accounts are secure.